Hello, this is Azar with 3Form. We wanted to make a video that our contractors could use in reference to understand how to properly apply Gecko. We had spoken about this, and so this video is to get your feedback on what we should be showing and not showing. We've basically taken a rough cut. This is a very rough cut of video, and wanted to show it to you so you can tell us, are there any major steps we're missing, or is there any feedback concerning how we show the steps in the Gecko application process. So we're going to show you the video. Again, it's in rough form. We're going to add a lot of editing to it, and more video. But if you can take a look and give us feedback on A, are we missing anything, any major steps, and B, the steps that we do show, was there anything fundamentally wrong that we showed? So without further ado, the first step that we will talk about is going to be how we clean the glass and prepare the glass before we apply Gecko. And so we show here Kirby cleaning it. We also have a second person. His name is Ty Jones, who is involved in this production. So we start off by cleaning the glass with glass cleaner, and also where appropriate we put on the gloves for safety and scrape the glass to remove any bumps away. And then next we measure the size of the window so we can pre-cut the Gecko to the right size. And then on the glass he marks it just with a dry erase marker, his starting and stop points for the installation. And then we show the application of Gecko, first spraying the glass with the mixture, and then spraying the Gecko part with it, pre-cut, pre-laser cut to the right size. And then we apply it. And then using the squeegee and the T-manner, he will go across the Gecko and down the middle, and then from there move out to each side to fully adhere it to the piece of glass. We're actually showing this in two formats. The first format, which we just watched, is where the Gecko comes pre-cut to the right size. We cut it with our laser cutter and it's pre-cut to the right size. The second format, which we'll show now, is what to do if you start with a roll of Gecko. You see us here rolling it out and pre-cutting it to a smaller size, closer to the window size first. Again, spraying the window. And after we spray the window, we spray the Gecko and apply it with the same methodology with the squeegee. And then we go about with the step of cutting the Gecko on the glass to the right size. So using a straight edge, we cut the Gecko to get a nice clean line to remove the excess Gecko and reseal it to the glass. And then we also show the process of correctly breaking a blade and talk about how we frequently need to swap out the blades after making our cuts to make sure the Gecko cut remains clean. So in summary, our intent of showing you this video at this point is just to show you a rough draft, get your feedback. Is there anything that we showed that is incorrect? And secondly, is there anything that we forgot to show that we need to show? We basically modeled this video after the application care instructions that are in the Gecko Adhesive Textiles book, sample book. And if you can get us that feedback, we'll take that feedback and we're going to re-record and have a female voiceover basically walking through the steps that is in this piece, this printed piece, and have this available to our contractors on YouTube. So thanks, and look forward to your feedback. Thank you.